Hello everyone, my name is Raghu Ramasamy and on behalf of Mr. Muhammad Muzamir Muhammad Yusof from SK Sri Hangret Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, would like to present our paper entitled The Effectiveness of Using Bar Model Kit to Solve HOTS Question in Mathematics for Year 4 pupils at SK Sri Hangret. Introduction to this research. Mathematics education required a changes or transformation in terms of purpose, content, approach, and evaluation. As an educator, we need to do changes in method of teaching and learning to increase knowledge of our pupils in mathematics. According to Nasaruddin 2014, transformation is important in delivery of teaching and learning process to achieve high aspiration in an environment of intense global competition. And according to Dr. Rajendran 2017, everyone is able to think on low-level thinking, but proper expose, adjustment, guidance, and encouragement enable us to think at higher level of thinking. According to Professor Dr. Mazita, the younger generation who are knowledgeable, able to think critically and creatively, are able to communicate effectively on a global level should be shaped by the education system in Malaysia. According to Koh, Yeo and Lim 2009, bar model method using bar model kit plays an important role in the primary school mathematics curriculum in Singapore since it's introduced by the Ministry of Education in 1980s. This method is an innovation in teaching and learning. Our statement of problems. The first one is the teaching styles of teachers in implementing HOTS for mathematics is very important to train pupils to think in higher order. According to Tuan Salwani 2014, she said that the ability to understand what is learned is the key to success of the mathematical learning process. According to Azrul 2017, visual plays a very important role in order to enable pupils to understand problem-solving questions involving HOTS better and in deep. Bar model is a problem-solving strategy using visualization which will encourage pupils to learn effectively. There was a huge gap in teams for mathematics compared to our neighbor country Singapore in terms of score. Malaysia's average score in year 2003 was 508, 2007 was 474, in year 2011 was 440, and in 2015 was 465, whereas Singapore's average score in 2003 was 605, in 2007 593, in 2011 611, and in year 2015 was 618. This is according to Ministry of Education report 2016. So in year 2015, Singapore ranked first place while Malaysia was not even able to achieve the average score which has been set. The research design for our research is to see the effectiveness of bar model kit. Experimental testing method through pretest and post-test was carried out for both control group and experimental group. The pretest needs to be answered by the pupils before the workshop using this bar model kit for HOTS questions and post-test after the workshop ends. The findings of the pretest and post-test were analyzed by using SPSS software version 22 to see the difference between the pretest and post-test for both groups on the average changes. T-test was used to analyze the data. The observation focused on to see the change from negative to positive attitude of learning among the students, how students perform using bar model method by using the bar model kits to solve direct questions, problem solving questions, and HOTS question. An interview was conducted by the researcher with students. The purpose of this interview was to obtain the view of students on this method. The finding and discussion for one sample t-test for control group. The result of the pre and post test show the difference in average mean score 31.97 to 39.30. So there are slightly changes of the mean score for the control group, whereas for one sample t-test for the treatment group, the result of the pre and post show the difference in average mean score 31.58 to 55.53. There are huge changes in treatment groups. From the observation, the researcher and the teacher found that by using bar model kit, the student pay more attention in the topic discussed. The student enjoy the lesson using bar model kits to solve mathematics questions. At the beginning, student had some problem to estimate the size of bar according to its value. The duration of 3 hours to cover 4 topics addition, subtraction, multiplication and division was not sufficient according to the observation. Based on the interview, the researcher noticed that majority students agree that they enjoy solving questions using bar model, especially using bar model kits. Students prefer more time doing the question with the kits given. As conclusion, bar model kit method for HOTS question affect pupils' achievement. Bar model kit also able to attract pupils' attention and interest in learning mathematics and also to solve problem-solving questions. Thank you very much for your time, and you can contact me anytime at ragumalaysia@gmail.com. Bye-bye.